What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton. This is baby Presley. Say hi. This is Harper. So today we're gonna make one of my wife's favorite dish, thịt bò lolot. If you don't know what it is, check out the video and all the ingredients is down in the description below. If you like the video, make sure you smash the like button and consider subscribing, all right? It will help out the channel a lot. So if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go. Woo! Pound of ground beef, pound of ground pork, chopped garlic, lemongrass, chopped peanuts, chopped onions, chicken bouillon, curry powder, 5 spice of black pepper, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, all leaves, mix it up. Wrap it up, put it in the fridge for 1 hour. So here you go, guys. Bò lolot right here. Still hot and steamy. Oh. Hot. Oh, rice paper. Here you go, guys. With the rice paper, put some lettuce on top. Some rice noodle. Vietnamese fish sauce. So good. You have to try this recipe out. Well, guys, if you like this recipe, make sure you smash the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.